एक लार्जर कमेटी को रेफ़र किया गया है जो आदरणीय हर्षवर्धन जी के अध्यक्षता में है। तो उनके माध्यम से जब सारे इसमें ऑलरेडी एज अर्बन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्टर आई एम पार्ट ऑफ इट, Anirudh Singh ji is part of it, and Harshvardhan ji is part of it. There are a few other councillor, legislator also from Congress party also and from the BJP also. तो सब इसमें बैठ के सकारात्मक चर्चा करेंगे कि कैसे इसको जो है वो लागू किया जाए, जल्द लागू किया जाए और क्या इसमें कैसे करना है ताकि कोई इसमें कंट्रोवर्सी भी ना हो और हिमाचल के लोगों के हित भी इसमें जो है वो प्रोटेक्टेड रहे।
राज्य सरकार के पास क्या रहेगी कि हिमाचल के लोगों को ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी?
देखिए, मैं उस दिन तो ये जवाब तो मैं पहले दे चुका हूँ कि ऐसा कोई भी कानून नहीं है जिसमें हम ये कहें कि हम केवल हिमाचल के लोगों को ही जो है वो इसमें करेंगे, चाहे वो एम्प्लॉयमेंट है चाहे वो ये है। मैंने पहले भी आपको कई इसमें एग्जांपल्स दिए कि कई जगहों पे सरकार ने इसको लागू करने की कोशिश करी मगर इट कुड नॉट विदहोल्ड द टेस्ट ऑफ जुडिशियल स्क्रूटनी, क्योंकि ये अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है। हम किसी को ये नहीं बोल सकते हैं कि आप किसी देश या किसी और प्रांत का व्यक्ति हिमाचल में रोजगार के लिए आ सकता है या नहीं आ सकता है, पर कैसे उसमें हम प्रेफरेंस दे सकते हैं हिमाचल के लोगों को, दैट विल बी डिस्कस्ड इन ड्यू कोर्स कि कैसे उसमें करना है, क्योंकि उसमें विडोज़ के लिए है, उसमें आपके जो है वो इकोनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शन के लोगों के लिए है और चीज़ों के लिए है। सो ऑल दैट विल बी डिस्कस्ड इन ग्रेट डिटेल। और अगर इसमें कुछ कमी भी रही है, जैसा आपने कहा, कुछ अगर इसमें इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में कुछ स्लो प्रोसेस भी रहा है, तो वील ट्राई कि इसके ऊपर चर्चा हो और इसको जल्द जो है वो कानून के दायरे में रहकर इसको लागू किया जाए, ये मैं कहना चाहता हूँ।
क्या उसमें सेंट्रल एक्ट में स्टेट स्पेसिफिक अमेंडमेंट संभव है, क्योंकि पहचान पत्र की तो एक्ट में ही व्यवस्था है?
हाँ जी,
पहचान पत्र की तो एक्ट में ही व्यवस्था है जिसका जिक्र आपने किया। क्या स्टेट स्पेसिफिक इसमें अमेंडमेंट संभव है?
अब जो भी होगा वो जो है बॉडी डिसाइड करेगी, और क्योंकि इसमें विधानसभा ने बॉडी गठन कर दी है और उसमें मेरे से भी वरिष्ठ मंत्री उसमें उपस्थित है, आदरणीय हर्षवर्धन जी है, इज ए सीजन पॉलिटिशियन, 6 बारी के विधायक है, तो लेट हिम डिसाइड व्हाट हैज़ टू बी डन। एवरीथिंग, ऑल द रिकॉर्ड्स एंड फैक्ट्स विल बी ब्रॉट टू हिज नॉलेज एंड टू द कमिटीज नॉलेज and let the committee decide that what has to be done in the larger interest of the state। मगर जो इसमें फैक्ट्स है और जो कानून की इसमें प्रतिक्रियाएं हैं वो मैंने आपके सामने जो है वो रख दी है।
आज मसला बड़ा हो गया है, लेकिन आप भी काफ़ी समय से एसोसिएट मेंबर हो म्यूनसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन, क्या इस तरह?
Again, Vikramaditya Singh, the Himachal Pradesh minister, who's taking questions and much of, what has been asked, Amandeep, of the last many days of him. He says, I was not summoned, I was not pulled up, I was not reprimanded. But then he also does say, Amandeep, that for me, the party line is most important, but so is the interest of the people in Himachal. So if one reads between the lines, Amandeep, what possibly could happen?
Well, absolutely, Deepthi. He is just trying to make the balance of his statements and even the party line also. And in fact, now he is putting the entire onus to the committee that was constituted by the Vidhan Sabha to decide the fate of the suggestions put up by the people for revealing the identities, nameplates to the eateries and the other vendors also. And in fact, now he is saying, earlier he himself said that directions has been given to put out the nameplates outside the restaurants and the eateries in the state of Himachal Pradesh. And now he is saying that recommendations has been taken into the consideration and committee is supreme to decide the fate. So somewhere down the line, the U-turn is very much clear. And even when the state government themselves have issued the statement that there was no clear-cut order to put out the nameplates outside the eateries or restaurants or any vendors. So it is one side, Vikramaditya has given straight-away statement. On the other side, the government has issued the statement that no such order has been issued. And now the entire onus is putting on the committee. That committee will decide. And according to law, and law has also been taken into the consideration. So somewhere down the line, all is not very much smooth in that controversy. And in fact, now all eyes are on committee, what they are going to decide on this entire issue. Vikramaditya has completely putting everything on the committee that was constituted by the Vidhan Sabha, including the ministers and the opposition MLAs also, and even himself. He was also a member of committee. But earlier it was not like that. And so these are the fluctuations. If we just read between the lines, so these are the fluctuations between the Congress party and even the Himachal government's minister Vikramaditya. So now let's wait and watch what is going to happen, just because so far Vikramaditya has just tilted presented his statement earlier something else, now something else, and now the entire onus is on the committee that whatever they will decide the fate of the nameplates and the suggestions of the people that has been given by the people to the government to put out the nameplates and to verify the identities. Just because, Dipti, one thing is very much clear. That issue of identification, verification in Himachal Pradesh, people coming out from the outside is a very big issue. And that is the reason that so many protests are taking place in the different parts of Himachal Pradesh. And government also know that this is a very major issue and they have to resolve it. But how they will resolve it to satisfy the Congress line also, so that is a big question arising.
Okay, Amandeep, before I let you go, you know, this insider versus the outsider debate is something that we've seen another minister, Anirudh, also, you know, reiterating much in the assembly when the Sanjoli Mosque issue happened. Now, Vikramaditya again is using that same issue again to say that, you know, this is not something that is very conducive to the state of Himachal. So is this what the Congress also believes? Or is, you know, there is a rift out in the open and perhaps the Himachal government itself is in danger? We haven't heard a word from the Chief Minister yet, not a word of reprimand that has either come in from the Congress's top brass, including Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka at all.